Hi everyone, welcome to Divya's Zoo class. Today I am going to give some tips for 10th practicals, biology. In science, totally 4 branches are there: physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. Each branch they will be asked one experiment. For each experiment have 5 marks, totally 20 marks. Remaining 5 marks for your internal assignment. Total 25 marks. Let's we can discuss about the experiment of biology part. The first experiment we are going to see about photosynthesis. In this experiment, the teacher will do the demonstration of test tube and funnel experiment. The students you should observe and you can write aim, material requirement, procedure, observation and inference. At last you should write the result also. The last line, hence it is proved the oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis. Like you should write the result and you can draw the diagram also. Totally 5 marks. And next we are going to see about the next experiment, parts of a flower. So this experiment you should desert a flower. Maximum they will be give for a hibiscus flower. So in this hibiscus flower just you can take for calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium and stamen. After that you can write what is that aim, material requirement, procedure and you should draw the diagram. At last you should write a result also. I deserted the given flower hibiscus rosa sinensis. Totally 5 marks. And the next experiment is Mendel's monoid cross. In this experiment, they will be key for model or picture or photograph. Students, just you should observe and you can write aim, definition, procedure, diagram and result. Note, no need to write. It's a very easiest practical in biology part. And the next one is to observe the slide. Sometimes they will be key for dicot stem, sometimes they will be key for dicot root. This experiment you should observe the microscope and you can identify what kind of slide they kept and you can write aim, identification, reason, after you can write result and you should draw the diagram. How you will be write the identification and reason? Identification means you can write the given slide is identified as TS of dicot stem or dicot root. If you are writing result, I identified the given slide as TS of dicot stem or dicot root. And you can write the reason any 2 or 3 points and draw the diagram and label 6 or 7 parts. And the next one we are going to see about the zoology part to observe the models. Only 2 models are there. One is human heart, another one is human brain. Just you should observe and you can start to write for aim, material requirement, identification, reason, diagram, result. For identification, you can write the given model as LS of human heart or LS of human brain. And the result also you can write I identified the given model as LS of human heart or LS of human brain. And the reason totally 4 or 6 points are given. You can write any 2 or 3 points and you can draw the diagram and you can label 4 or 5 parts. And the next one is to identification of blood cell. For this question also to identify the blood cell in a microscope. Sometimes they will be key for red blood cell, sometimes they will be key for white blood cell. If they kept red blood cell, just you can write aim, material requirement, identification, reason, any 2 or 3 points, diagram and result. Result you can write I identified the given slide as red blood cell. If they kept WBC slide means the same point you should write. And the next one, identification of endocrine glands. This is the model. They will be key for a model and just you can observe the model and which part just they highlighted, that part you should explain. For example, thyroid gland means thyroid gland, pancreas means pancreas. That too only here they explained. So anyone they will be keep and just you can write. You should explain for aim, material requirement, identification, location, hormone secreted, functions of hormone any 2 or 3 points and diagram. At last you should write the result also. This much you should write for this question. Dear students, no need to panic for practicals because practicals is very easy to gain a marks. For each part, any one question only they will be asked. Totally 4 questions, total mark is 20 and total hour is 2 hours they will be give. Easily you can utilize and you can write. I hope that you can understand what I explained today. Thank you.